Now, as in the previous video, we have already made this HTML page of your Shortener. We have already styled this page with the current situation. Like in the current position, we are seeing it a very, you can say beautiful. And in the previous, when we were making it, it was not good. Then we added the CSS styling. I'll just revise what we have done in the last video. We just made a HTML file index.html where we wrote our HTML code, that is the structure of the code. We just put some heading, then labels, input boxes, these are buttons, then this text area and the container. After that, we just styled it with the help of style.css file, in which we used various properties, borders, colors, and border radius, all these things we used. And now we are in the situation. Now the next step in this case is to make it functional. So let's get started. Let's make a script file also, that is script.js. Okay, so script.js now we will have to make. Okay, first we are just saving it. Okay, on the script side, like whatever IDs we have given here, now these will be used here. Like we have used sort button. Okay, sort button equal to document dot get element by ID. It's not coming. ID, and what was the thing we have given? We'll have to check ID age sort btn ID sort button. Similarly, we will be making it. We'll be saving the data in reload button also. Okay, this is the reload button now. And third thing is sort on URL. Document.getElement ID. Now what is the ID given to the text area? ID is sort URL text area. So the same we have to put, otherwise there will be a spelling mistakes also. We'll have to avoid all these things. Okay, now these things are been made. These are the constant, and we have just used the data from our web page now. Okay, we have saved it in our constants. Now we can use it. Now what we have to do is we have to add the event listeners to this reload and sort buttons. Okay, so we'll be just doing it now. Sort button dot add event listener. What is the event that we want to check? This is the click event that we want to catch, and we want to run a function. We can say it shorten URL. Okay, this function, now this function is not available as of now, so we'll have to make this function also. Function shorten URL. Okay, so here we'll be having a original URL. Original URL, where we'll be getting it from? We'll be getting it from here, original URL. Okay, so again document.getElement ID document. Okay, so this was the mistake that we were doing, so this must be small d. These are small spelling mistakes that can change the behavior of your application or the program. Get element ID we have just done. So what is the original URL and ID? This is the label original URL. Okay, so we are identifying these things with the help of these IDs now. Original URL ID. Okay, so now we want to have its value. So now we have got it. Then variable API URL. Now the fresh URL that we want to achieve. Okay, this will be first TinyURL. We are just using it, so it will be https tinyurl.com/API create.php URL equal to, and after that we will be adding our own encoded URL using encode URI component, and there will be original URL. Okay. So API URL is done now. Now we want to fetch the data, and then we want to have a response. This is the arrow function we are using. Response dot text, and after that then data, again arrow function, shorten URL text area dot value equal to data. So it is closed. We will have to some catch the exceptions also, or error also. If there is some error, then what we are going to use, then shorten URL text area dot value to be set to error, unable to shorten the URL. Okay, so this is all. We have closed it, we have just made it. So this is the thing we have made it for sorted. Now we have to just make similarly for reload button also. Reload button dot add event listener. What is the event? Click event, and what we want to make it achieve, we just want to reload the page. So wherever the page is, we just want to reload it. Okay, so this is all we have made it. Okay, so let's see how it's working or not. Okay, so this is the page that we have just made. Let's see it's working or not. First let's show some videos. Okay, just see. This is the video. Okay, I'm just copying its address. Okay, yeah, I'm just putting it here, and I'm just putting it sorted. I think there is some error in this. I'll have to check what is the error. Okay, so let's inspect the things. What is happening? The console, there is no error. There is some issue here. Okay. What is the problem? This is saying an script.js at line 8. Line 8. There is some problem here. Okay, so we are just making it a function. Okay, so I'll have to make it. Let's see. I've already copied the things. No, it's not coming. There is still some problems. Looks correct. Okay, Okay, we have just made a error that we have not called this script in the index.html file. That's why it's not coming, because right now our page is not connected with the scripting. So we will have to just, before the body ends, we will have to use script source equal to script.js and just close it. Now let's see it's working or not. Let's refresh the page, put it here. Okay, so I have already copied this page. I have just refreshed the page. I'll just refresh the page. Let's put the URL here and put the sorted. Now this is our fresh URL. This is the tiny URL we have received. So the sorted is working. Now let's see the reload page is working or not. Whenever we click on reload, this page should refresh and all the things must be clear. You can see the things are clear. Again, let's see, let's put a URL here, put a sorted, then clear it. Again, let's check it's working correctly or not. So this is the tiny URL he has given me. Let's open it in another page. So this is the URL that we have received. Let's see, and the same page is here. Okay, so this way you can just make this URL page. So this was all about this URL shortener page. For the next videos, please subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thanks for watching. I understand that this video is been too lengthy, but to learn for step by step, we'll have to give some time, and to understand these things, we have to make it. For the next videos, please stay connected. Thank you and goodbye.